Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your MAC address in Windows in a very simple way. First, let me quickly explain what a MAC address is. A MAC address is a unique set of 12 alphanumeric characters that is used to identify your device on a network. Now, let's get started. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then click on Command Prompt to open it. Once Command Prompt opens, type the following command: get max/v/fo list. Now, press Enter on your keyboard. After that, you'll see a list of all the network adapters on your system along with their MAC addresses. Here you can find the MAC address for Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth adapters. This method is very quick and gives you complete details about all network connections on your computer. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.